So just about to start a game here. I'm the director tonight, and I'm on the screen here that shows the entries. And what I want to do is go through my normal procedure of making announcements to the tournament, some things we like to remind them of. So I'm going to use Chat Manager. So click in this area here, Chat Manager, select that from the menu. And now I've got a series of pre-programmed messages that I like to use. So the first one is a welcome and telling everyone to be ready. So I'm going to click on that. And if you notice, it's actually going to go to the wrong channel. At the moment, it's going to go a private click to one of the players. So I need to make sure that it doesn't do that. I need to click there to make sure it goes to the tournament. And now I can click that. And that message has now gone to the tournament. So that's a message telling everybody to make sure they're logged in and make sure that their player responds. Then I normally give a message introducing myself as director. And then I add, there's two other messages that I think are quite important. One is about asking players to greet their opponents with a description of their system, including no trump range and carding methods. And then the next one is about what bids should be alerted. So that's a message we use. A lot of the EBU tournaments use very similar standards for what's got to be alerted. This is all based on the both the EBU's Blue Book and the EBU's Sky Blue Book, which is a modification of the Blue Book for online bridge. So that tells you that we would like the following bids alerted. So that actually tells you that you must explain the following bids: opening bids of 1 no trump and 2 no trump, statement and transfer and their responses, all opening bids of 2 of a suit, and also bids of 1 of a minor, which could be fewer than 3 cards, and also any other calls with artificial unexpected meanings at any level in the auction. So unlike face-to-face bridge, where you don't alert conventional bids above the level of 3 no trumps, here you do. On online bridge, it's recommended by the EBU that you self-alert. So for example, Blackwood, you would self-alert that, whereas you wouldn't probably normally do that in a club unless it was on the first round of the auction. Okay, so those are my main messages. I've probably got one more. Here, we'll do that one. I'm going to play 9 rounds of 2 boards. I want people to keep to 14 minutes. Let me just see if this one needs to go. Yeah, this one as well. This stops people bothering me too much. So this is about if there's a score correction needed. So I'll do that one. People are probably by now overloaded, but that will do. I'm going to wait for that. Now the tournament is going to start. So I'll hang up, and actually what I'll do is there's a pair of robots to bring in. So what I'll do is I'll get the robots in first. So I'll show you what I do to deal with that situation. Right, so the tournament just started. I've got a message to deal with some sit-outs. So I'm just going to tell the people at my table first that I have a problem to deal with. So I'm going to go to Chat Manager, and I'm going to say, 1 moment please, direct to call another table, be right back. Oops, that should have gone to the table, so I'll do that again. That should go to the table, not the tournament. Alright, so we'll do that. Now what I can do is I can go show tables, and where I have a sit out here, I can right click on the sit out and do substitute. We're going to substitute with the robots, so I'm just going to put select. No, I'm not. I'm going to put robot. Substitute now. Right click on that one, substitute, select. I'm going to type robot. Substitute now. And if I refresh, you'll see that there's no more sit-outs. I can now close that down and I can get on with my bridge. So I'm going to stop this now and